Okay guys, this is going to be a video of this Emerson Designer ceiling fan. Once again, my aunt's house. There are 3 of these. This one is an antique brass. If you notice, it's not the white color. And yeah, this one has a problem though. It wobbles quite a lot. It's usually on the medium speed on the pull chain, but I went ahead and set it to high just to show you guys. So we'll go ahead and start this one off on low first. Start it up first. Okay, here's low speed. Medium speed. High speed. This is where it wobbles the most. I'm not gonna leave it on high for too long. You see that? Yeah. And that's off. So that is the Emerson Designer ceiling fan in my aunt's office. Thank you for watching.